Welcome back to the channel. It is the moment we've all been waiting for. Not only is it a new year and a new me, we are in our new house. I vlogged the whole moving process for you guys. It has been absolutely insane. It's just, the happiness is oozing out of my body. The girl's water bottle, she's not drinking Element, but this girl is. The move has been fueled by Element because it has taken a lot of physical exertion. And like I said in my last video, even though it's winter and you don't feel like as sweaty or like hot, like you don't feel dehydrated because you're not out in the sun all day, you still need to replenish your electrolytes when you sweat. The first thing you lose is salt. That's why Element wants you to stay salty, especially with their clean formulated ingredients that have scientific backed research of why they work so well together, which is the magnesium, the potassium, the salts. I have noticed such a big difference in my life when I take this every single day, when I drink it every single day. At my grandma's house, we were like a water bottle family. And so you always saw me putting it just in that water bottle, but I forgot how much I love putting a packet of my Element in my water bottle that stays cold with ice. Like, I took a sip of it last night and I was like, this is the best tasting thing I've ever had. So like, I'm like obsessed with just the taste, which is like crazy because on top of it, it makes me feel amazing, especially if you're someone like me that struggles with headaches, muscle fatigue, recovery. I exited my winter arc. We're getting back into it, but the Element journey has not stopped. It's popular for a reason. I talk to you guys about it all the time for a reason. I'm obsessed with the brand. I'm obsessed with the formula. So if you have New Year's goals, you're getting back into the gym, or you're just trying to implement little healthy habits, Element is such an amazing place to start. And when you go to drinkelement.com/LaurenElizabeth, you're gonna get those 8 free sample packs. I drink a packet a day, so that's 8 free days of Element, and you're gonna get to try all of the different flavors. We've been on the chocolate medley kick lately because of the holidays. Matt has been putting the chocolate medley flavors in his coffee in the morning. It's like his new shtick. He's obsessed with it. So make sure to go to the link in the bio, get a kickstart on your new year. 8 free sample packs. So let's go back to the beginning. Spend the week moving with us, see the new house. Obviously we have a bunch of stuff in it right now, so I want to show you it empty and all the progress that we've made. I love you guys. This is the last week that you will see this room. That it's gotten us through the past, I don't know, let's round up and say 6 months? No, it's definitely 6 months. Summer to January. We got private information, but I mean, it is just an absolute disaster. Like, couldn't hate my life more. Just kidding. But yeah, so luckily we didn't fully unpack, but I mean, still a lot to do. And this is just, but hopefully the unpacking process is better than the packing process. Usually never is, but let's move into our new house. It is time to go close on the house. We are like 40 minutes away. The movers are at my grandma's. Then I'm gonna go to the house after to show you guys it completely empty, but we have to go close first so that we officially own it. And Matt's just like walking without me. We drove separately so that I could go to the house with you guys after. Avoid moving, but he doesn't watch my videos, so it's fine. We're just gonna like stall so we don't have to do as much work as possible. I hate moving. Okay, I don't even know where the lighting's gonna be the best or what's going on, but okay, let's start here. Just a blank slate under the countertop. Welcome to the new house. We're gonna do a little empty house tour to avoid moving, and because obviously I want you guys to see before it's just absolute chaos in here, and I didn't want to regret not taking the time to show you guys around. So let's just like jump right into it before all of our crap gets here. I'm so excited. I can't believe it's real because we've been here so many times. Not like so many, but like a good amount. I mean, we got engaged right there. How freaking crazy is that? Yeah, like we were here obviously a few days ago, but it's just gonna like weird that we're gonna be like sleeping here and waking up here, and like tubby time for the girl is like in her bathroom tonight. Like it's just so, it like doesn't really totally feel real yet. Not the first time I've been here without furniture and stuff, so maybe it'll start feeling real when our stuff gets here. So sorry if there's an echo, there's nothing in here. That's what's gonna happen if we wanna do an empty house tour. So let's get into it. Lots of natural light, which is all awesome. And keep in mind, if you like know me at my soul, like you know that this isn't my style, you guys. We don't love a builder grade new construction home. It's commercial, it's cookie cutter. Of course we're gonna make it cozy and homey. It's not gonna be millennial gray and stale or sterile. Like, please trust the process. But nice little sunroom that I'm really excited about. It's gonna be kind of, I'm calling it like the library, like the sunroom slash library, because I don't want it to be a traditional office. I'm also really excited to change this. I love light fixtures because I feel like they're really like the jewelry of your home. We don't really have any window treatments right now, so if I'm panning really quickly, that's why. This is our living room. If you saw my TikTok, you saw that there was a light fixture right there, and they very kindly took it out because basically the light fixture was, it was right here, but this is like, so this is where the dining table would be, which means the chair would be right here. It would be, and then the bar stool would be literally right here. So it would just be like, wait, you'd be backing up your bar stool right in to the dining room. So what we're gonna do is put the dining room in this nook, the nook where we got engaged. I think it's, whoa, hello. I think it's gonna be so much better than having a dining room right here and like a Four Seasons room, like sitting room right there. It's just like, we don't need another sitting room. We'll have the 2 couches here. Upstairs, we have another lounge sitting area. If you come back here, obviously we don't have a backyard yet because it's 12 degrees outside. We have what will be the actual office, AKA with like lots of storage. It's just that classic kind of like den spare room. There's just one window in here, no closet. But there is a nice little, this is where the guest bathroom is down here, which I think will be such a fun thing to renovate at some point. Not renovate, but like redesign. So just kind of like switch the mirror, the fixture, do a wallpaper, like such a fun, easy project. And then we have such good storage space. Our closets aren't done, which is the only thing. So I went to IKEA the other day. This is gonna be our pantry, which is awesome. This will be kind of like a little coffee matcha nook, and our refrigerator gets here tomorrow. The plan in here, first things first, is obviously the light fixtures. You guys know I hate the light fixtures. I'm just not like a silver girl. I like silver when it's kind of like that stainless steel look, but when it's more of this like new modern silver, I don't love it as much. So I actually don't mind the sink and all this stuff being silver, but I'm gonna change all of this to antique brass and then change the light fixtures. So just those 2 switches alone are gonna make such a huge difference. It's gonna look like such a nicer kitchen, and then eventually I'd love to do like a backsplash and then maybe make the cabinets a little bit more beige or creamy, something like that, because they're very stark white right now. Not a priority. I think changing the fixtures, the hardware will be a really good, easy first step. Such a great amount of space because I'll just finally be able to be like cooking over here and have the girl playing all around here, which is so nice. I know there's kind of a little bit of controversy lately about open floor plans, but as a toddler mom, I can't imagine not having an open floor plan because you just have to have eyes. So we're obviously gonna put a gate at the top and the bottom. Olive is obsessed with stairs. And then when you walk up the stairs, this is like a whole little lounge area, and we're actually gonna put the cloud couch right here, and then our big TV from the basement is gonna go right here. So until we have a finished basement, this is gonna kind of be like the man cave. Not really, but I also think it'd be really cool too to put just like a light fixture right here to kind of like elevate this room. Clearly I love light fixtures, but you know, there's also so much wall space up here, like with the hallway and everything, like for like pictures and mirrors. A mirror could actually look really cute right here. Then you go into here, this is gonna be our room, diagonal wall. So we're just gonna put the TV right there, but I don't think we're gonna have a dresser or anything right there. We'll probably just put the dresser maybe right there if it fits. The hardware, I'd love to change all this silver hardware and these light fixtures, but again, not a priority. And Matt is 6'4", so unfortunately, we had no say in this bathroom, and he does not fit in this bathtub. So it is going to be my bathtub. And then this is the closet I was telling you guys about that's not done. They just put, you know, this, which is like not sufficient for a closet, a functioning closet. So we're gonna have IKEA do the closet, a little toilet, a nice little linen closet. This is gonna be the guest room. And I actually have the queen bed from my old house in Los Angeles, that like black canopy bed. So that's gonna go in here. And then there's a nice walk-in closet in here. That is gonna be great for literally like storing things. But it's a great size. We can even put a little TV up here for my mom or my mother-in-law. Then we have our laundry room, which I think this will be so fun to elevate one day, but honestly, this tile is nice. It's super clean, it's super fresh. So as much as I have like dreams of having a fun, cool, moody laundry room, I actually really like this the way that it is right now. This I thought was random. This was giving like, we had leftover wood and we decided to make these cabinets this color. But I think these cabinets, I actually prefer this color in here, and I think they'll look really good with brass. These, again, random light fixtures, like totally different from our room, don't love those. And then this is the girls' tubby, which Matt can actually fit in this one. Another whole closet, which I thought was like absolutely awesome. This is gonna be the playroom and future nursery. So gonna put a bunch of the girls' toys and stuff in here. Don't worry, that's not happening soon. And then this is gonna be the girls' room, which I'm really excited about because she deserves her own big girl room. So that's everything so far. I'm doing a little TikTok and Instagram. I got 2 phones now, so prepare to be sick of me. So I'm shooting a little daily vlog for today that it's gonna be already up by the time this is up, so you've probably already seen this, but that was more of like an in-depth. It's definitely gonna stress me out once like everything's in here, but I feel like since like everything's gonna have a place, where like our stuff hasn't had a place. Like I haven't had like drawers, like we just haven't really been, it's been like living out of a suitcase for 6 months, but like the suitcase is like our bedroom upstairs, so I don't think it'll be as overwhelming as it seems. I think we'll be done by this weekend. It's Thursday right now, so let's see how much and what we get done today. I'm gonna figure out a couple places. I gotta figure out those bookshelves before the movers get here though. That's key. Unless I can put the bookshelf right there. I don't know if I want it right there though. I don't think I do. Uh-oh. Disaster zone. Disaster zone. Let's see how much we can get done today. TBD. Matt and his mom and his best friend are upstairs taking care of the girl and building things, and I fed my sourdough starter in 2 separate containers, but I'm gonna seal them up. They're like starting to rise, but they're actually for my friends. And then mine's over there. So I'm just gonna bring these, put them in the oven since it's so cold out. But got a good amount done. Whoa. I mean, it doesn't look like it, but we did. I'm going to make my pasta at my friend's house. Okay, making pasta at my girlfriend's last night was a success. And then I came home to a little candle and a note from Matt that he put in a little extra work this evening to take a little bit of stress off your shoulders. How's the spotless? Couches just got delivered. They're the wrong color, but you saw what it looked like yesterday. This is it today. I mean, it's literally spotless. So he earned a lot of brownie points yesterday. So the couches came, as you can see. I'm really excited about the 2 sofas. And I ordered a table for right here from Olive Atelier in Los Angeles. It's like a table from India, like low dark wood coffee table. But these were not supposed to be so light. These were supposed to be like beige sand. This is like the 2nd time I've actually ended up getting a lighter couch than anticipated. So I'm gonna call Crate and Barrel and see if they'll, since it was in stock and there's no restocking fee, if they'll switch it out for me. Like I don't hate it by any means, but it's just like, but I love the look of the 2 couches in this room. They're like not centered at all. Because the fireplace is like right here. Maybe if I line it up on the wood pieces, but the wood is off. What are you doing, girl? But let me tell you, even just being a mom has become so much easier with all this space for like all of her stuff, all my stuff. Just like being just more like comfortable with like, I don't know, it's crazy. Like we were brushing. What? Life is good. Okay, so we're gonna have to do a lot to this bedroom because it's giving like sterile, but it's also like the pieces in here are really good. So I don't really necessarily need to replace anything. The only thing I would consider replacing is my bed. By the way, it's Monday, hi. I'm just gonna vlog a little bit for this first part of the day and then edit and upload for you guys, and then we'll start next week's vlog. But we had such an amazing weekend because we got everything done. Obviously Matt played a huge part in that. But look at this bedroom. So these are the blinds, by the way, I got from Amazon. Here, I'll show you. They are amazing. We still have to set them up to Alexa, but look at that. And we installed them ourselves, AKA Matt did. They got here in 3 days and they're custom. I mean, is that not amazing? So I'm gonna link those for you guys because window treatments, we got quoted. I was like, you know what, like, let's see what happens when you like do it like the right adult way. You know, like you always like think like one day I'm gonna be a big adult and I'm just gonna be able to like get all the things I want. So I went to the shade store, which is like still like goals one day. They quoted me $40,000 to do all the window treatments in my house. I can't even, what? I was like, I ghosted them. I was like, I'm so sorry, I forgot how to speak English. And so these were each like a couple $100 from Amazon. So I think this room total was under $1,000, which is like compared to 40, pretty good. And they're custom and they're smart and they could be cheaper. I just upgraded them a little bit. So 10 out of 10 recommend, honestly. Okay, my camera's dying.